The atmosphere refers to the layer of gases that surrounds a planet, held in place by gravity. On Earth, the atmosphere is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and trace amounts of other gases. Atmospheric pressure is the force exerted by the weight of the air above us. It is the pressure that the air in Earth's atmosphere applies on everything on the surface. This pressure decreases as you go higher in altitude, like on a mountain. As altitude increases, atmospheric pressure decreases. This happens because the weight of the air above us lessens as we move higher. In the lower layers of the atmosphere, such as the troposphere, the pressure is higher due to the dense concentration of air molecules. However, as you climb to higher elevations, like on a mountain or in an airplane, there is less air above to exert pressure. This is why it becomes harder to breathe at high altitudes. Air pressure varies significantly across Earth, Venus, and Mars due to differences in their atmospheres. On Venus, the air pressure is extremely high, about 92 times that of Earth, due to its thick atmosphere, mostly composed of carbon dioxide, making it crushing and toxic. On Earth, atmospheric pressure is about 101 kilopascals at sea level, which supports life and is suitable for breathing. On Mars, the air pressure is much lower, about 100 times less than Earth, making it very thin and inhospitable for humans without protection. According to Torricelli's experiment, a tube filled with mercury was inverted into a dish of mercury. The mercury in the tube dropped slightly, creating a vacuum at the top. This experiment showed that air has weight, and the pressure exerted by the atmosphere can be measured. On Earth, Torricelli's experiment works normally, because Earth has a dense atmosphere, creating atmospheric pressure that supports the mercury column. There is no atmosphere on the Moon, so there would be no air pressure to hold the mercury in place, and it would simply fall out of the tube. The atmosphere on Venus is very dense and consists mainly of carbon dioxide, so the mercury column would be much higher due to the extreme atmospheric pressure. The Torricelli's experiment would not work the same way on Mars, because its atmosphere is very thin, so the mercury would fall to the bottom of the tube with little resistance.